Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about document themes, how to set a theme for the whole document, how to choose a style for the whole document. This way we can ensure consistency throughout the styles and the pages that we are working with. So I'm using the document that I used last time, yet I changed the second paragraph here into bullet points, and I've added this shape so we can see the effect of formatting on it. Now to start with, we have themes. Themes are collections of fonts and colors. So when I change the theme, I'm seeing a preview before selecting it. I'm seeing a preview, how the colors would appear, how the fonts would change. So maybe I chose this theme, yet I'm not content with the colors, I want to change them. So after choosing the theme from the Design tab, I can go to Colors and choose another color combination. So I've kept the fonts and the effects of the theme, yet I've chosen another color combination. So this is another color combination. Moving on, I also have the paragraph spacing, which allows me to change the spacing through the normal text and the headings easily. So again, I'll go to the Design tab, Paragraph Spacing, and this way it will change the styles. Instead of having to change paragraphs one by one, we used to change them by styles. Now, instead of having to change styles one by one, we are changing all the styles at once from here. So in the paragraph spacing, we can choose compact, we can choose tight, open. So I'll go with open. We'll continue with effects, and effects apply to shapes and to the graphics that you're using. So I can choose effects that would apply, instead of selecting graphics one by one, the effects would apply to all the graphics at once. So this is glossy. To continue, we have a font theme. Instead of changing the font of the normal style and then changing it in all its consequent styles, such as the subtitle and the emphasis, I can change it at once using the Design tab and Fonts. So here I can go to Customize Fonts. So again, in the Design tab, Fonts, Customize Fonts, and I can choose a heading font which will apply to all the headings. So maybe instead of Calibri, I'll choose Times for the headings, and I'll choose another font for the body. So let's choose Consolas for the body, and I'll click on Save. Now the document changed, all the headings, even the title, changed to follow the headings font, and the body text and everything that follows it, such as the subtitles and the emphasis, changed to reflect the other font. This is a big time saver, and even if I create another heading, so this is chapter 1.1, and I select it as heading 2, this is heading 2 and it's following the same font theme. And again, a quick overview: if we change themes, this will change with it. So I have to deselect it, and if I change themes, this will change with it. I can use also document style sets, and these are collections of formatting that apply to the styles on the go. So maybe if I choose this one, the document will convert the title into a centered one with borders. The headings will be centered. These are neat ways to switch your document's formatting on the go. Again, this is reflected in the text styles. I'll do it once more. I'll select one, and I can see it in live preview, and this is reflected in the styles again. I can also modify these styles just like I modified text styles in the past. So I can change the heading in the Home tab. I'll go to Title, modify it, and choose a bluish color. From now on, from now on, if I want to use this style again and I want to save this style for later use, I can go to the Design tab and click on this drop-down list, save as a new style, and I can create the template. So new style, and you can notice that the extension is .x. So I've created a new style now. Let's switch styles again. If I want, I can choose this style to be my default style from now on. So any created document will follow this style. To do this, I go to the Design tab, and in the document formatting group, I can select this option, set as default, and the look will apply to all the new documents that I create. That was it for today. Thanks for watching.